Distinguished speakers on the dais, organizers of this conference, a very important one, participants, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very difficult area, very challenging topic. Debates are going on all over the world. But we all have been reminded to be brief. And if I were to sum up my comments in a very limited way, then I would like to mention that, yes, we are into knowledge economy. And from 2005 onward, when the Knowledge Commission was set up in India, the National Innovation Council was set up. So India has recognized that innovations play a very major role in propelling growth in the economy. But the challenge for any society is to follow the fundamental principle of this universe, which is balance. This is very difficult, very difficult. The sun wouldn't have been its place if that very fine balance of all universal forces was not there. Earth wouldn't have been in its place if that very basic balance was not there. I wouldn't have been standing in front of you if I wouldn't have managed to balance myself. And therefore, for any society to be developing, benefiting from innovation, from the growth of knowledge, striking a balance between the knowledge, innovation, and access is a challenge. And I am sure all participants who are here and who have been discussing this sensitive issue all over the world are grappling with this very fundamental issue. We all believe, we all want a very strong IP regime which is enforceable, which pays back for its R&D to its innovators. But yes, if we lose that balance, perhaps we will be missing a very important contribution that we could have made for the society. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak on this occasion. And as I said, I would be brief, but my theme word today is the balance, which I think for every society would be dynamic, different models have to be found, different balance mechanisms have to be found, and that is what is going to be the challenge before the lawmakers, before the enforcers, before researchers and academicians, everybody. Thank you very much.